Hey everyone, Josh Martinez here, and welcome to this week's idea. So this week's idea is looking to buy silver, SI, on a 1 hour time frame. Now we are tracking an up Fibonacci sequence starting from the most recent trend, which is from January 8th, 2026. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 Fibonacci's that have already worked. This is Fibonacci number 5. Now where we currently are right now, we are expecting the market to rally to price point 93.465 and then retrace. That gives us about $11,000, $12,000 worth of buying opportunity with a full contract. Now, in this particular scenario, that's about 306 ticks. Naturally, you can always find the contract size that best fits your desires. The big issue here is the risk, right? To win, the best chance to win this trade would require a $45,000 risk. That's out of the question, especially why would you risk $45,000 just to make $11,000, $12,000? Doesn't make sense. So what you could do is you can extract the direction, which is price point 93.465, and then go to a smaller time frame to try to have less risk. So if you go to like a 5-minute time frame, try to find an uptrend. Like here's a wonderful example. This is an uptrend line where the market likes to bounce bullish. There's a push, there's a push, there's a push, there's a push. And currently here we are coming near this uptrend line. Now, one of two things will happen here. Either A, the market will bounce and rally and go right to our target, or B, the market will sell off and then this structure will fail. So what do we do? How do we play this? Well, what we could do is do what took place last time, right? When or if the market comes near this uptrend line, you bring in a counter trend line, which is this purple line. If or when the market closes above that counter trend line, what it signifies is, hey, Mr. Trader, hey, Mrs. Trader, the short-term retracement could be over and the long-term extension could begin. Now, there's no guarantee, so you want to use a stop loss. And the stop loss is an automatic exit for loss, indicating like, hey, if you're wrong, that's where you will lose. And so, but when you buy at a counter trend line break, you're buying right when the buyers take control. And normally, not always, but normally you get this initial surge, right? It makes trading a whole lot of fun when you just enter into a trade and it goes your way right away, right? So that's what happened last time. For this week's idea, I'll say let's do that again, right? There's no guarantees the market will bounce bullish, but if it does, if it breaks the counter trend line, what you could do is look for a long idea and then look to take action and then place your stop below the U-turn. And if we just look at quick hypothetical risk versus rewards of where we are right now to the end goal of mine, look how much smaller your risk is compared to like the 1 hour time frame, and your reward could still be 235% of your risk. And that's great trading. So all we did for this week's idea is we acknowledged silver's in an uptrend. We're making higher highs and higher lows. Buyers are in control. We have a price target at 93.465. The risk is too much to place this trade off the 1 hour time frame. So we just go to the 5-minute, extract the end goal in mind, and then if the market rallies and hits our target, gives us the entry, we can get a reward bigger than our risk, and that's the way to go. Naturally, there is risk involved in trading, so choose wisely. If you use TradingView, one of the things that you could do is you could go to do it in the search at the very top where it says search and type in my name, Joshua Martinez. And if you do that and you look for my name, what I do is I post these ideas. And I just went ahead and posted this idea. So if you click on this, you will see the commentary, my charts, you see my targets, the stops, and you scroll on down, you got my notes. So that's a lot of fun if you want to go do that. Hey, my name is Josh Martinez. This concludes this week's idea. Appreciate the opportunity. Hope you have a wonderful day.